welcome back to this video. If you really want to learn how to fix battery drain issue on Android phone, consider to watch this comprehensive solution on how you can simply get rid of battery drain on your Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the first thing to do is to make sure we enable developer mode on our Android phone. And for us to do that, what we need to do is to head over to our Android phone right there and go to settings in our Android phone. So go to settings and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply come to the search settings right here. So what you need to do right there is to simply type in build number. Then click on search. So it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to click on build number, which is under system above of the phone. So click on that. Then it's going to take you right here. So under the build number right here, what you need to do is to continue to tap the build number until you are enabled. So a step away from being a developer. Now you are now a developer. It's that simple. After you have successfully enabled developer mode option on your Android phone, next thing you need to do is to head over to settings right here. I'm going to click on settings. That's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on search settings. Then what you want to do right here is to simply type in developer. Then the next thing you need to do is to simply click on developer options. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down. Continue to scroll down until you get to Wi-Fi scanning throttling, reduce battery drain, and improve network performance. What you need to do is to enable this button. It's that simple. Restart your phone, and with that, battery drain problem is going to be drastically stopped on your Android phone. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.